Makers! This is me again, Jaire Mamaklay, and we are inside Soliento, not your usual community. This is an Ayala Land Premier community inside Nuvali. So this is a 66-hectare community, 50% is dedicated for open spaces, and we are standing right now at one of their main amenity, which is their clubhouse with their newly built covered basketball court. And as you can see, very intricate ng design, and at the same time, talagang may signature architecture sila na kapag nakita nyo, sabi ko nga, Soliento siya. So we are featured a secondary market, which is, kapag alam nyo, no, secondary market, this is below the market value as of the moment. The size, 1,059 square meters. So imagine, alam ko, no, mga clients natin abroad, you are looking for a perfect lot size na nasanay kayo na ganito kalaki yung lot size, 1,059 square meters, and at the same time, pwede magtayo ng bungalow for your retirement home. So before we go to the lot, or before we highlight the lot, imagine, meron pa lang tayong 7 houses dito sa area, but mamaya makikita nyo habang nagda-drive tayo, talagang mine-maintain nila yung buong community, very exclusive, green living, and at the same time, hindi kayo matatakot sa security. Very tight po ang security for an ALP project. Well, hindi na nila kailangang i-market yung ALP because kapag naglo-launch sila ng bagong project, submission of letter of intent pa lang, nauubos na about 80 to 90% of the inventory. So yeah, hindi ko napapatagalin pa. Let's go to the 1,059 square meter lot only here in Soliento, Nuvali. We are now here at Block 6, Lot 12 here in Soliento. So this is the lot with a total lot area of 1,059 square meters. So sa frontage, I just want you to see yung frontage niya. So from this point hanggang dito sa edge na to. So this is the frontage of this lot. Now this is 1,059 square meters. So as you can see sa top view ng mapa, sobrang haba at sobrang laki ng lote. And ito yung highlight na maybe this is my first time showing this kind of lot na at the right side is main park lang siya. Dito nakatayo yung bahay mo, no? Kasi ito na yung yung perimeter or yung isang side ng lote mo. And yung katabi ng lot mo is just an open space. Ang lawak-lawak ng open space, no? Nakikita nyo ngayon sa map, no? From this block, since this is a main park, so mula sa end point hanggang dun sa dulo, main park lang to. So imagine you having this lot, 1,059 square meters, maggawa kayo ng parang terrace, mag-coffee kayo, no? Mag-read kayo ng newspaper, or kung gusto nyo mag-stroll, katabing-katabi nyo lang yung main park with this open space na ganito kalaki. So tignan natin, no? Ngayon, under construction ngayon, continuous naman yung improvement, no, ng mga pathway or walkway. So andito lang, right? Nandito lang yung main park na if you wanna stroll, hindi mo kailangang pumunta ng clubhouse or hindi mo kailangan pumunta sa ibang parts of amenities dito sa Soliento just for you to enjoy the amenities because it's really just beside your premium lot. So another highlight aside from the main park, mafe-feel mo yung exclusivity mo dahil you are also fronting a courtyard. So this is your courtyard. Nasa tapat ng lote mo. So imagine, you have your main park at the right side of your lot, and then sa frontage mo, it's not just your usual open space na nakikita nyo sa ibang video ko. We are in ALP project. So it's more than 3 to 5 meters na nakikita yung open space, no? So it's really a courtyard na ang lalaki ng puno. Just like kung ano yung nakikita yung puno sa Nuvali, no? Habang nagda-drive tayo. These are the trees, no? How big the trees is para makita nyo na ang lawak-lawak nitong courtyard na to. So it's very exclusive, it's very airy and breathable. Nakikita nyo naman kung gaano kahangin ngayon na even if it's sunny, actually when we were going here, no, kanina, maulan siya. Pero ngayon sobrang sunny niya, but it doesn't feel like hindi siya presko. Because this is very airy. I mean Soliento, no? Sol is sun and then aliento is air, no? So kaya siya Soliento, and it's really what this community will deliver if you want to live here. And the weather here is para kang nasa Tagaytay kasi nakapalibot na sa kanya yung Tagaytay Ridge. So, for example, you build your own house here, 2 floors, 3 floors, and then you have like your terrace or balcony. Makikita mo na yung Tagaytay Ridge from your lot, no? Kung saan mo binild yung house mo. So, napakaganda nung magiging view mo. It feels like, para kasing sinasabi nila, di ba? Alam natin yung concept ng 360-degree view. Parang ganun dito. Pag nasa first floor ka ng bahay mo, you still have the view of your courtyard. Kapag nandito ka sa side mo, you have your main park, you have your open space. Pumunta ka sa master's bedroom mo, kung dito nakatapat, you have the view of Tagaytay Ridge. Kapag nandito naman, Tagaytay Ridge pa rin tong side na to. And then kapag nandito naman, mountain pa rin. So, technically, it's a 360-degree view, and at the same time, kahit nasan kang floors ng bahay mo, you have your open space and your greenery. You know, what I like about Ayala Land Premier communities here in Nuvali is binibigyan kanila ng Tagaytay weather. You don't have to buy a property in Tagaytay. It's like you have the Tagaytay weather, literally, but you are inside a Nuvali, an Ayala Land Estate community. So hindi mo na kailangan pumunta doon. You have the security, you have the connectivity from different schools like Everest Academy International, Miriam College. You have a lot of opportunities here because you are inside a sprawling Metro Santa Rosa, which is hindi lang si Nuvali ang major player. So if you want to buy this lot, may it be for end use or for investment, wala kang talo. Nandito na lahat, and I really believe that this lot is really technically a steal. No? With just a price tag of 40,000 pesos per square meter, which is really way below the developer's price now, because the average price per square meter of ALP lots here is at about 55,000 to 60,000 pesos per square meter. But for this lot, for this 1,059 square meter lot, you can only get it for about 40,000 pesos per square meter, and that's slightly negotiable. And the good thing for ALP is they are allowing their lot owners to build their bungalow. I know marami tayong mga clients from abroad, like in the US, in Australia, in the Europe. Jaire, pwede ba kaming makakuha ng malaking lot cuts? Because I know that you're used to having a big lot area, and then magbibuild lang kayo ng bungalow because pino-foresee nyo na ito yung magiging retirement home nyo, ayaw nyo na ng second or third floor. Well, this is the perfect size sa inyo, and this is the perfect community. So meron pa tayong mga ganito na even if hindi ka nga magtayo dito ng second and third floor, huwag kang mag-alala, napakadami mong view of nature, 360 degree, no? And yeah, kahit sobrang sunny, very close to nature ka talaga. Literally close to nature, and at the same time, it feels like parang lagi ka lang nag-vacation. Kasi mahilig kami dito na, okay, we can get away, we wanna go to the farm at San Benito or something like that para lang ma-feel. Pero at your very own retirement home, then you build your own pool. So every day it feels like you're having your own vacation. So binalikan ko lang tong main park, nakatabi ng lot. Ang sarap lang maglakad-lakad, and imagine na eto lang yung lot ko. Sobrang hangin, right? I mean, ito yung gusto ko sa mga Ayala Land Premier project. When they acquire or when they develop, hindi nila ginagalaw. Technically, kung rolling terrain to, kung ganito yung characteristic ng land, they will just stay the way it is. Hindi nila babaguhin talaga, and it adds character, no? And it really adds you know, the aesthetic of the whole community or the village. And 50% of Soliento are just dedicated for open spaces. And ito yung lagi yung sinasabi natin, di ba? Kapag aalis tayo or magwi-weekend getaway tayo or gusto natin ng nature, kailangan babiyahe tayo 2 to 3 hours away from Manila, or iba magpe-plane pa. Pero imagine, meron kang ganitong spot na you don't need to go outside your home, but you are 5 to 10 minutes away from everything. So, Nuvali po is the biggest estate development here in the Philippines, and aside from yung current ngayon na commercial area sa unahan, that is easily accessible by public. So we are now here in Nuvali South na magkakaroon ng maraming commercial development in the future, which will be built, no? Not just by Ayala Land Premier, because Ayala Land Premier is the technically the top tier development of Ayala. We have Alveo also, we have Avida, and then they are creating different commercial area, just like Central Block, we have Mary Mart there, and magkakaroon ng mga alfresco coffee shop, and then yung daanan sa West Diversity Road, magiging kasing laki siya ng market in which magiging tower siya, a mall, and then on top of it is an alfresco restaurant. So imagine that. So yeah, I hope imagine nyo na kung paano kayo magtatayo ng house. I mean, you are very close to everything, but you are enjoying this kind of experience. Let's have a quick drive tour around Soliento para mas ma-feel nyo yung community. So as you can see, nandito tayo malapit sa perimeter fence, and then nandyan na yung ridge, no? Or mountain ridge. So, kaya sinasabi ko kanina na if you wanna like build a 2 or 3 story house, meron talaga kayong view dito. Hindi kayo mauubusan, and hindi kayo mauubusan ng trees. That's what I like about ALP projects. Talagang 50% are dedicated for open spaces, a lot of trees, very airy and breathable, and at the same time, nakakadagdag pa ng feels, no, na it really literally feels like you're living in Tagaytay because mataas yung land elevation on where we are right now. So it's only 6 lots per hectare, kaya napansin nyo kanina, no, yung mga bahay hindi siya ganun kadami because it's 6 lots per hectare. Imagine 600 ang minimum lot area ng lot dito, with around 1,100 yung maximum lot area. So when it comes to density, it's very exclusive. It caters only top 1% technically, no, of the country. Sabi nga sa on the way kung paano nila mina-market, no, or ino-offer itong kind of community na ito. So if you want that exclusivity and at the same time this kind of like nature na this is your everyday living, so this ALP lot, which is 1,059 square meters, is the perfect property for you and the perfect investment if you don't want it to be your personal property or tatayuan mo ng bahay. Kasi you will just get it for about 40,000 per square meters lang eh. And then at the same time, you have this scattered open spaces and amenities, and makikita natin on how the roads are curated na kahit maraming puno, 'di ba, sa ibang community or sa ibang villages. Ngayon, lalo na after ng mga bagyo dito sa Pilipinas, no? Pero ngayon, makikita natin na well-maintained. Kahit hindi ka makakita ng mga gardeners ngayon, dito pa lang, no, sa mga roads na walang kalat ng mga leaves. Considering na sobrang daming leaves, it really speaks for its the way, no, na mine-maintain itong community na to. So we are at the clubhouse of Soliento, sa right side natin. Wow, beautiful architecture, beautiful design. Very ano siya, parang may signature siya na pag nakita ko to, dahil ang dami ko na rin clubhouses na nakita. That's Soliento. So wow, ang ganda ng main amenity na to, and at the same time, I really feel like sa lahat ng mga videos ko, makikita mo talaga yung premiumness, and at the same time, yung feels niya na talagang I am in an ALP project. Kaya pala talagang grabe yung submission of LOI dito or letter of intent, and then grabe din yung, kumbaga, may scarcity. There is a scarcity, there is really a demand. I just want you to show itong ano na to, view na to. So imagine, nasa clubhouse ka lang. You have these trees. Very abundant ang trees, bukod dun sa lote na pinakita ko kanina. So, iba yung feel. Iba yung feel kapag nandito ka na sa area. So, if you are interested with this lot below market value price at 40,000 pesos square meter, please feel free to contact me through my mobile number, iMessage, WhatsApp, and Viber account. That is +63 927 185 1590. My business email is thepropertygeekph@gmail.com. Bihira lang po magkaroon ng ganito kalaking lot area sa market. 40,000 pesos per square meter, an Ayala Land Premier project, at pwedeng mag-build ng bungalow. This is a steal at again, no, minsan lang tayo mag-feature ng ganito kaganda na property. So, I am here. Nandito lang po ako sa Nuvali. If you wanna conduct site viewings, again, this is my number, this is my email. You just have to contact me. Also on my Facebook page, which is The Property Geek, and you can go directly on my personal Facebook account. That is Jaire Valerio Mamaklay. And I am still contributing twice a month at the Manila Bulletin Property Living section. And I don't care even if umuulan dito kasi sobrang sarap ng feeling, it feels like nasa ibang community ako. I know that I'm in Nuvali, but if nasa loob ka ng ALP, para ka talaga kayong may sariling community that is exclusive, very wide open spaces. This is for you guys. So if you are watching and matagal nyo nang hinahanap to, this is your time to contact me.